In this video, we are going to write a program to find whether a given number is even or odd. So the steps involved would be, once we get the number, that is the first step, we will apply a logic how a given number is even or odd, and then we will print it. So the step number 2, the logic is, you get a number, and if it is divisible by 2, then the remainder would be 0. So here we are going to apply a logic. We are going to check a condition whether the remainder of a given number is 0 or not, and based on that we are going to make the decision. So the steps would be, first is the goal. This program is to identify whether given number is even or odd. What is going to be input? Input is going to be a number, or we can say whole number. What is going to be the output? Is going to be even given number. We are going to TBD. It is to be decided. Given number, whatever we enter, is even or odd based on the condition. Now, what is the logic? Logic is going to be, if number is divisible, that means remainder is 0 for divided by 2, then it is even, otherwise it is odd. Now let's take an input example. Well, if input is 23, then output expectation would be given number, that is 23, is odd. And we have another example. This is, we have to check two conditions, right? So we are going to copy this, paste, and our second example is going to be, if it is 2, 5, 6, 8, and we are going to say that the number that we entered is even. Let us do the code. The first step is to get the number, so we are going to say number equal to input enter number. Now here, because we are going to use a whole number, we have to do int conversion. So integer, short form is int. Then we are going to check the condition. So before condition, we are going to find out the remainder. So we are going to use remainder is what? Number %2. So here percent is the mechanism in Python to find out the remainder for a given number. So if I have %3, then it's going to provide remainder divided by 2 or 3, whatever we enter. Currently we want to check even or odd, so we are trying to find the remainder for 2. And now is the condition, which is nothing but if, and then you have generally a condition. The syntax of that is, you provide a condition over here, so you can say condition over here, and then you have the indentation, automatically it is taken, and then you provide the logic, whatever you want to do it. So here our condition is remainder equal to 0. When we want to check equal to, in condition we have to apply to equal to. So if it is remainder equal to 0, then we know, so we are going to say print f, and we are going to copy paste the format. Instead of 23, we are going to say whatever is the number entered is even, because remainder is 0 given. And now we are going to have otherwise. So if it is not divisible by 0, then it has to be odd. And because it is only two possibility in the if condition, we are going to use else. And we are going to say print. So we are going to use the same copy above statement. We are going to change it to odd. And that is how we are going to validate. Let's run through this. If I entered 23, then it is odd. If I enter 2, 6, 5, 7, 8 is even, and we can add any other number also. That is how we can find out even or odd. And here we saw how to use if and else. Thank you.